Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Commerce with Namita. In today's session, I will discuss about negotiable instrument. Let's start. Now what is this negotiable instrument and where these negotiable instruments are used? Let us see that first. Now there are many documents which are used in modern commercial world, like in finance, in trading, etc. But there are certain documents which are used freely for commercial transaction, and these documents or the documents which are used for transaction are called negotiable instrument. So basically a negotiable instrument is a transferable document which is used for commercial transaction in finance. In India, transaction related to these documents, means this negotiable instrument, are governed by Negotiable Instrument Act 1881. So under section 13 of Negotiable Instrument Act 1881, negotiable instrument means promissory note, bill of exchange or check payable either to order or to bearer. Okay, so in short, negotiable instruments are promissory note, bill of exchange and check, and these all instruments are used in finance, in trading. Okay, so negotiable, the word negotiable means what? Transferable, means it which can be transferred from one person to another person, and instrument means document. So let us see some features of negotiable instrument. First feature is easy transferability. Now negotiable instrument is freely transferable. It means that the negotiable instrument like check, promissory note or bill of exchange can be transferred from one person to another. Second, title. Now negotiable instrument is contains a good title to transferee. It means that a person who receives the negotiable instrument has a clear title to the document. Third, must be in writing. Negotiable instrument must be in writing. All negotiable instrument like promissory note, bill of exchange, check should be in writing. Fourth, unconditional order. In every negotiable instrument, there must be an unconditional order or promise for payment. There should not be kept any condition while giving the instrument like check or promissory note. So negotiable instrument is unconditional order. Fifth, payment. The instrument must involve payment of certain sum of money only and nothing else. In negotiable instrument must contain the payment in sum of money. Sixth, time of payment must be certain. This means that the instrument must be payable at time which is certain to arrive. There should be a time limit given in negotiable instrument. Seventh, payee must be certain. This point means that the person in whose favor the instrument is made must be named or described with reasonable certainty. The payee can also be more than one person, means the person who is going to get this negotiable instrument or who is going to receive the instrument, the payee means the person who is going to get it should be certain. Next, signature. Signature is very important in negotiable instrument, in all the negotiable instrument. Without signature, the negotiable is not valid. Next, delivery. Delivery of instrument is essential. Any negotiable instrument like check or promissory note is not complete till it is delivered to its payee. Until and unless the person who does not receive the negotiable instrument, so the delivery of the negotiable instrument is not delivered. Okay. Next is right to file suit. The transferee of a negotiable instrument is entitled to file a suit in his own name for enforcing any right or claim on the basis of the instrument. Next, rule of evidence. This instrument means all the negotiable instrument, check, promissory note, bill of exchange, can be used as evidence. Why? Because it is in writing and it is signed by the parties. That's why this instrument can be used as evidence in the court. So I hope you have understood what is negotiable instrument and the features of negotiable instrument. So thank you very much. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share the video, and please follow me on my Instagram account. Thank you.